in an electronics manufacturing setup, who's your ideal first point of contact for them to be able to influence the right other decision makers? Who would your team want to speak to first, who can appreciate what you're delivering?
So it really depends from the customer. If you talk about small and mid-sized customers, you need to talk to the owner, first of all, because you need to explain the advantages of this technology compared to other. If you talk to key accounts, there it becomes different. It can be the plant manager, it can be the engineering manager, it can be somebody at the level of the quality. They are different people. It very depends on the problem of the customer. You know, when I created Delvitech, because I founded Delvitech 7 years ago, I did a strategy, a commercial strategy that was totally wrong. No? I thought to go to customers and to fight head to head together with competition, because I wanted to say, okay, we go to that customer who is using this machine, and we try to get there to explain that we are better. No, this is not happening. What's happening right now is that customers are calling us simply saying, we have these machines as EFY, and we are not capable to inspect all of this. What can you do? And we typically say, okay, give us the board, give us your problems. We create a proof of concept about our technology, what we are capable to do. And with this proof of concept, once it's proven, you will decide what to do with the technology. But the great difference is the fact that we do not sell a machine. We have a platform. We have a technology. This is the greatest difference.
So does that mean that in the existing machine also you can put your modules and make them work, or in the end they end up replacing their existing machine with your machine?
No, let's say that the existing machines from competition will never work with our AI. The problem is that the existing machines that we see up to now from competition are not fast enough in acquiring data, and they are not structured to work with AI. To work with AI, you really need great computational power. And if you give a look inside this platform, you will find something that is astonishing from the hardware point of view. And if you don't get to this point and you want to use native AI, you will never succeed.
Thank you, Mr. Gatti, for being there on this interview. Thanks for taking your time, right? It's been a pleasure to speak to you. Right.
Thank you. And once more, it's a pleasure for me to have this company in India. It's a pleasure for me to be closer to the Indian customers. We will continue to enlarge our facilities here in India and to enlarge our operations, because we have a lot of things, a lot of new things coming. We are enlarging the market, and we want to be successful together with India. Thank you again.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And if you have any questions, feedbacks or comments about this interview, please post it, and we'll share it with the Delvitech team and have them reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much.
Thank you.